Hi guys, and today we are going to be revisiting the great Garmin Forerunner 45, and I'm going to show you some top tips on how to get even more out of this great watch. So hi guys, I'm Shanebow. Please press subscribe. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. You're going to get lots of running and running technology videos. So let's not mess about, let's get straight in and look at how you can customize the watch face on your Forerunner 45. So open up your Garmin Connect app and then slide over from the left, and at the bottom you've got Connect IQ Store. Click on that and then it'll load. Once that's loaded, click at the top right where you've got the three lines, and then you've got watch faces. And there you've got all the popular watch faces, you've got recent watch faces, and you can also see them by rating. When you've selected the watch faces you want, just click on download. Next time you sync with your watch, it'll be there ready to go. Also, if you click the three lines at the top again, and then click faces, you can actually select your own picture to actually put on the watch. You can actually control the music from your Garmin Forerunner 45. So if you're going out with your headphones and you've got your phone with you and you're streaming the music from the phone to the headphones, you can actually control what sound volume and track you're listening to from your watch. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so this is a great function. So let's pretend we are out running. We're not going to wait for a GPS signal. So there we are. We are now running. So at any point, if you keep down the down button, you then get this menu here. You've got two shortcuts on here. So you can pause by pressing this one up here. And then hopefully you can hear Four Non-Blondes just there. Put my headphones just there. So if you wanted to skip the track, we can press that one there. And then we've got Nina Cherry. Again, we can pause it if we want to. Yeah, we know we're behind, we're not even running. If we press this one just here, we can then cycle through up and down. So say for instance we want to go back, we can press that to go back. That could be pause. That could be forward just there, so we can skip through a few tracks just there. And then if we wanted to control the volume, we can just press that and we can go volume down or volume up. So if you then want to go back to the main menu, just keep pressing back, and then you will end up back on your race functions. And again, just keep down, and then you can go back in, press up again to go through that menu, up and down to cycle through. So there's also a really great coaching facility. So it doesn't matter whether you're going to be training for a 5K, 10K or half marathon. Let's have a little look at how that works. So from the Garmin Connect app, swipe over from the left and you'll see that you have training. Click on training and then go to training plans. What you'll then see is you've got a Garmin Coach 5K, 10K and half marathon. Just follow through the instructions on there, answer the questions, and you're going to get a live coach on your arm, and you're also going to be able to see what workout you're doing over the next few days and even go in and see what workout you're doing next week. It really is great if you want to get into shape or you've got an upcoming race. So there are quite a few preloaded workouts when you go to the exercise function on your watch. You might not want any of those on there apart from run, or you might want to reorganize them. Let me show you how to do that. So from the Garmin Connect app, click the watch right at the top of the screen with a circle around it. And then what you've then got is activity options. Click on that, and then you've got displayed activities. Click on that, and you can see then a list of what's already displayed on your watch. Click on edit at the top, and then anything you don't want, just click the red. So we don't ever do a treadmill, and we don't bother with walking. We just do biking and cardio, but we do some yoga at the bottom just here. So we click on the blue tick, that's then added yoga. And then we'll just click on done. Next time we go through our watch now to do our exercises, we'll just see run, bike, cardio and yoga. Another great function on the watch is to customize the data screen. So when you're running, you'll notice you've got three bits of information, and then you can scroll down on the watch to see other bits of information. You can customize those so you can get your very favorite three things on one screen. I'm going to show you how to do that. So click start stop, then select run, and then press down for the options. Select data screens, and you'll then see you've got distance, timer and pace. That's your first data screen default. Then you've got HR zone, heart rate and calories just there. So let's go back up to the top one. Say for instance we really didn't care about timer because we just run for the amount of time that we run for anyway. So if we press this one up here for edit, and then we've got field 2, which was our timer, so select that. And say for instance we're more interested in calories, we're going to change it for calories. Literally just press start stop, and that is done. So you can see now that's your data screen for when you go running, which is really going to help you out. So I've got another couple of videos for you to choose from in just a second. One of those videos is about Garmin Body Battery, which is a function you have on the Forerunner 45, and I really tested it out in a great way to bring it to life for you. Guys, please press subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers, and I promise you're going to get loads more great videos in the future. Thanks again for watching, guys.